I think that, well, I think that's an issue with Zoom then.
Oh.
See, these are the types of footages which we have to take. Okay, and now let me Control Shift D. I'm gonna delete this particular part. I'm retaining only this particular footage. Means what you want, means you should have that visualization first before creating something. So next, what I'll do in the next, let's work on this in the coming sessions. We'll do one more thing. Okay, I have footage up to here. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, fine. Control Shift D. Delete. Okay, now right click, transform, flip horizontal, then after that go to effect, key, key light, then select this, remove this. Okay, now I have this particular footage wherein there is a wooden log here. So what I'll do, I'll place this behind this particular uh, mountain piece over here. Understood? Now it's matching, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So then after this, what I'll do, I'll duplicate this, Control D. Let me just place it here like this, and I'll time reverse layer. So then what happens? Oh, this one. So from here it blends. Okay.
Yes.
So same thing, this bridge and all, like let me just duplicate these three things and let's place it here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Like this, continuation. Okay. Then after that, select this individually, Control Shift D, then you can delete the other things. Okay. So now things are like this. It's quite better. Which looks like this. So we need to work on this. We have to do the color correction for this particular part, wherein the color correction of this particular mountain we have to do. So this mountain. So you should know which one, which you are selecting. Okay.
Yes.
Let me turn off that. Okay, this only I'll duplicate. I can move this over here like this. Okay, then what I'll do, I'll turn on this so that this is over here, not this one, this one. Okay, now I need to match the color correction for this. I have to work on the color correction part. Okay, what I'll do, color correction. To do the color correction for this, some red tint we need to add. Go to effects, curves, color correction, curves, red tint we need to add. So here RGB red, increase a bit so that it is blending with this particular theme. And I need to increase a little green as well. Okay, or else we can anyhow match this. That's one part. And let me work on saturation. Go to color correction, uh, hue saturation for this one. So now already we have added so many footages, and already this seems so heavy. Okay, somehow it's matching. Yeah. Okay, we need to work on this. Okay.
Yes.
So hope you are able to follow, Lamini. Okay, it's like this. Now the another area wherein I want river green screen. You get green screen videos for this as well. Just take river, something like this. Yeah, or something like this. See, like this kind of footage. Okay. So now let me just select this. Come over here, paste in the download. Okay, so got it. Okay, so it's downloading. So let me just open this. We got a river. Where is the river? Yeah, here. Let me import this river on almost to the front top layer. Okay,
Yes.
so here you have this rock, right? Just behind this you just place and Control Alt F and just transform or flip horizontal and effect keying key light. Then remove the green color. Guys, look how does this. Okay. Now eagle is there. I want this to be behind the vehicle. Okay. Now this bridge. You can lift this bridge a bit up. Okay. Okay. Now the green screen is there. No, there are three layers I have added, three green screen. Let me just turn off one. One bigger water flow. One is larger we can make. Okay. Let me solo this. These are solo. Let me have this uh, green screens as solo. Okay. See, the waterfall looks like this. When you play, this is the waterfall. Okay, actually there is a movement, water movement is there. See, okay, since this is full, let me make this into water. Okay, when I play this, okay, okay, since the file size are really huge, okay, it takes time to load, but anyhow, you can achieve an output with this. Okay, it's like this. These are, clear footages. Waterfall will happen like that kind of footages. Okay, so anyhow, the waterfall, waterfall up to this particular, we have add. What I'll do, let me select this all green screen, sorry, this waterfall. Let me comp this, Control Shift C. Only this waterfall is a like this kind of composition we have done, pre-comp. Now, let's reduce the size of this a bit, and let's place this waterfall a little bit upside. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
understood. Any doubt is there? Even what we can do,
No, sir.
here one fall, like that also we can make. Let me duplicate this. Okay, and let me reduce the size of this, and let's place the waterfall somewhere here. Okay, and let me just reduce the size something like this. Okay, so this looks really cool actually now. Fine.
Mm-hmm.
You have an eagle. That's nice. So now what I'll do after all, doing all this, let me add one new layer, that is adjustment layer. We have to do the color correction for everything. Adjustment layer, always keep it on the top. Okay. Now right click for
Yes.
adjustment layer, FX, color correction. Okay. Color correction. I'll go with Colorama. Okay. Output cycle. So I'll do one thing. What kind of look and feel let's have? I'll go with fire and smoke, something like this. Okay. Then blend with original. So 70, 78. Now you see entire thing looks, all this color is blending. All the rock, this bridge, it's blending now. This looks like a single image, right? Understood?
Yes.
Okay, this is the
Yes, sir.
part which we have to do. So 85, let me just try. Okay, 82 or around 85 I have given. Then I want a sky movement in this. So sky, what I'll do, let me increase the size of the sky. Okay, here I'll come over here. Let me scale this. I'll come over here. Let me reduce the size of the sky. Okay. So let's have around 20 or 25 seconds of output only. And so what I'm doing, so it's only 20-25 seconds of output only here. Okay. Any doubt is there? Guys, this entire thing looks
Yes.
really cool now, actually. Um, so anyhow, this three not required. This additional thing you can delete. So you can have only these things. Okay. So here, just make it properly. Okay. Now go to comp. This looks like this. It's cool. Okay. Okay. See, this looks really nice. Then later what I'll do, I'm gonna duplicate this and I'm gonna place this thing somewhere here as well. Okay. Now the entire scene looks so good. Okay.
Mm.
So I can have one more here. I'll duplicate this. If you guys do something like this, means you can add this for your demo reel. There is no doubt you can add this for your show reel.
Okay.
Okay. So a few variations I'm just making over here. Then after that we have a smoke, right? One smoke is there uh, where we have used in this one. Yeah, smoke somewhere it should be there here. Smoke footage. Yeah, this one. Let us add this so that in front it will come. Control Alt F, full screen. Then F4. I'm making this into screen. Okay, this looks like this. Now after this, what I'll do in project, this one, interpret footage, go to main, here, loop, make it some 20. Awesome. You have it like this. Okay.
Mm.
So then T opacity, just make it 50. Okay, it looks good. Let it come below adjustment layer or above adjustment layer. Let's see. It looks good only. Any doubt is there up to here?
No, sir.
Okay, actually this composition has come out really good. I'll show you how does this looks now.
So,
If you do some 2-3 output, something like this, no, just straight away, like any companies, any proper compositing VFX companies, like definitely, it's a try. You can give a try to the companies. This is called matte painting. This is how, you know, uh, it has been done even in the production houses as well. Okay, I'll show you how does this looks now. The end. Okay, I'll give full resolution. Okay. See guys, this is the shot looks like. Okay.
Mm.
Any doubt is there? Everything
Yes.
we have taken from single images, individual images. Even, let's say for example, here in this particular top, You can have a castle. Just place a castle PNG. It looks good. And even let's say, for example, if some few people are walking, if you get behind the bridge, you just add so that those people are walking over here in the bridge, on the bridge. Okay. And here at this particular corner, I can add a monkey. Let's do that as well now. I'll reduce the resolution. See, the more you spend time, you can do beautiful work actually. So let me just take one monkey here. Where is that monkey? Green screen. I have to fix glass. Matte painting. I have a monkey shot somewhere here. Yeah. Let me import the monkey shot over here. And monkey, let him come below the adjustment layer. I'm not gonna do full screen for this because all the elements, like for example, uh, this eagle or those things, it should be not showing. Let's say you cannot do full screen for this. Okay, see another thing, the monkey full body is not there. I cannot place in the bottom. Okay, or else I have to do kind of hiding. Means we need to do that as well. The lower part of the character we need to hide. Okay, so monkey, what I can do, let me place the monkey character over here. Anyhow, it's there is a rock. Okay, the monkey is sitting like this also you can do. Let me just reduce this. Here. Okay, or right click, click horizontal, something like this. Then for this I should have, I need to duplicate this. Then flip horizontal. Then I need to move this thing, behind the monkey shot like this. Then I'll select the monkey. Awesome. It looks like this now. Now monkey, this one. I need to duplicate this. Then I have to time reverse layer. Then select this, press O, select this, open bracket, so that it continues here. From here to here, the animation continues. Now I need to select this both. I need to duplicate this, bring this guy down, then take this, then select this entire thing, I duplicate, then I need to place it like this. So then there is a continuation now. Okay. All this monkey, control shift. See, now this is a comp for monkey. Okay.
Yes.
Now guys, now see, this looks like this. It looks good now. Now then green screen eagle. Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
I'll do one thing. I'll render this and I'll copy this in WhatsApp. Okay, but it takes a lot of time. I think some 2 to 3 hours to render this one. But this looks really cool actually. Okay, let's
Mm.
try this. Fine then. Okay, this is the final shot looks like. So I want you guys to try something like this. This is kind of a not fully complex work. It's a medium complex work. Okay. See, just give focus on each and every minute detail. Then only you can achieve. See, so now for example, if you look into this particular shot, I feel this waterfall is bit. The height of the waterfall is really, I think, bit more, because the land is somewhere here. The land, see, the land part ends over here, but water is bit more high. So I need to adjust all these things. Here, this looks fine, whereas this particular part, this should come down. Getting? So
Mhm.
all these are the make sure you focus on each and every minute details, so that will mistakes won't happen. Okay, fine. Understood. Any doubt is there? Valele Lamini?
No, everything is
Okay. Actually, this
fine.
particular task, this work looks really, it looks good as well, right? So there is a
Yes.
sky movement is there. Even now, see, this mountain is one, right? This one we could have taken another one, wherein both look similar.
Mm.
It's okay. Now you try this. Hmm? Anyhow, I'll share the final output.
All right.
Okay. Okay. So fine. I'll share you the recorded session. Okay. Let's say we'll
Okay,
connect
sir.
on Monday. So anyhow, you have weekends. Just try. Do some complex matte
Okay,
painting like
sir.
this. Okay. Hmm? If you guys do this, I'll definitely ask RSTP to add the video in website, or else you share me your works. Okay, all your works. I will compile all the work and I'll share it to them. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay,
share
sir.
me means you can share me via email. Okay.
All right, sir.
Okay, guys. Have a great weekend. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks, sir. Same to you.
Bye, Lamini. Take care. Bye.